Welcome, in front of me is REALME Note 70T, and in this video I'm going to show you what to do if you forgot your screen lock password. Now, of course, the first step in such a situation would be to try your best to remember your password, but in case you remember your password and cannot sign into your smartphone, maybe some third-party application is affecting the way that your lock screen behaves. So in such case, let's try to enter the password in the safe mode, and to do that, restart your phone by holding down the volume up key and the power button at the same time. Then select restart, and then when your phone starts restarting, wait until the REALME logo reappears on your screen, and at this point start holding down the volume down key of your device. Just keep it held until your phone vibrates. And in the safe mode, you'll try to enter your password once again just to see if it works for you in the safe mode. At this point, you can release the volume down key and just wait until your device boots up into the safe mode. Once it does, you'll see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen. So right now, let's try to enter the password. And just in case you succeed, swipe down the quick settings menu, go to settings, scroll down to security and privacy, select device unlock, screen lock, then confirm with your password again, and then select none and delete. And then just restart your phone by holding down the volume up key and the power button again. And you'll be able to access your device. And if you didn't succeed at signing into your device in the safe mode, then in such case, first of all, before performing a factory reset operation, try contacting with REALME customer support service. Tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will most likely be able to help you out with your problem and let you regain access to your phone without removing any personal files from your smartphone, if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, of course. Now, if you cannot do that, then perform a factory reset operation. This operation will remove all data from your device, but it will surely let you regain access to your smartphone. And the first way to do that is by using the Find Hub service by Google. And if you have a Google account connected to your smartphone, then you can search for Find Hub website, and in Find Hub service, just log in using your Google email that is connected to your smartphone, and then just select your device on the list and select factory reset, which is the last option on the list. And this way you'll perform a factory reset operation remotely. After that, you'll be able to set up your device once again as a new device. Now, if you cannot do that, for example, if Find My Device feature is disabled on your phone, if you did disable it manually, then perform a factory reset operation locally. To do that, you'll simply have to know a combination of keys in order to access the recovery mode, and also how to manage it. And if you don't know any of this or some of these things, and if you need some help on your way, then check out the factory reset operation through recovery mode on REALME Note 70T on our YouTube channel. This video will explain everything for you step by step, so if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And for this one, that will be all. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.